Right, so hey guys, in this video I'm going to teach you on how to fix your display too zoomed in Windows 11. So it's a very simple thing to fix, but it's not visible in Windows 11 since there's a lot of options there. So let's get straight into it, shall we? So what you're going to do is you're going to right click on your desktop, any blank space on your desktop, and go into display settings. Okay, so in display settings you have something called scale. Okay, and if the scale is set to 150 or whatnot, it will look large like this. So you want to set it to its recommended, which is 100%. So by setting it to 100%, you have your scale, your display scale set to normal. So that's on how to fix it, guys, and pretty much, yeah, hope it helped you. Thanks for watching, folks.